Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. As a client of IDEA Translations, you now have access to a simple and quick way to request interpretation and translation to any language through a unique portal called Iris. In this video, we'll show you how to use our platform. An important feature of our platform is the ability to create users and managers. The primary difference between these roles lies in the level of access and control they have within the system. Managers have comprehensive access to all functionalities. They can view and manage all user activities, approve quotations, and place interpretation requests, as they have all permissions enabled. Users have more limited access. They can submit quotation requests but cannot approve them. Additionally, they can only view the requests they have made themselves, not those of other users within their organization. This role-based access ensures that each team member has the appropriate level of control and visibility. We'll guide you step by step so you can submit requests, manage your projects, and communicate with our team easily. Let's get started. To access your personal account, click on the Iris Login SSO button on the login page. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address and password. Once you've entered your credentials, you can easily start managing your translation and interpretation requests. If you'd like to use the on-demand interpretation service, click the phone icon located at the top right corner of the. Once you request the on-demand interpretation service, you'll be connected with an interpreter within the next 30 seconds. Needs of your project. In this form, you'll have the option to select the date by which you'd like to receive your projects. You can also upload any documents that need to be translated. Don't worry about the file format. We can handle any type of document, whether it's a Word file, PDF, or even an image. What's most important is that you can select one or more languages to which you'd like your documents to be translated. There's no need to submit a separate quote request for each language. We'll take care of providing you with a detailed and comprehensive quote that includes every language you need. To schedule a pre-scheduled interpretation session, click on the Appointments button located on the left side of the screen. Once you click that button, you'll be taken to a calendar view where you can easily see your upcoming. Once the interpretation scheduling form appears on your screen, you'll find several filters that are mandatory to complete in order to proceed with the interpretation request. These required fields are marked with a red asterisk next to them. Finally, you can request interpretation services via a phone call. Each client account is assigned a unique 1-800 number, and every user has a unique PIN. This PIN is essential for tracking usage records, including who used the service, when, and which languages were involved, primarily for invoice purposes. To access the 1-800 number assigned to your account, click on the Members button located on the left side of your screen. This will direct you to your account information page. If you'd like to take a closer look at the quote details, simply click on the Get the PDF button, located to the right, to download a full version of the quote, including a complete breakdown of the cost per language and any additional notes from our team. One of the great benefits of our platform is that if you have any questions about your quote, or if you realize you need to clarify anything about the project, there's no need to create a new request. Instead, you can simply click the Chat button, which is located to the right, next to the Get the PDF button. This will instantly open a conversation with the project manager assigned to your project. This feature allows you to ask questions, share comments, or request adjustments. It's a quick and efficient way to keep communication flowing and ensure everything stays on track without needing to send separate emails. If you're ready to move forward with the project, all you need to do is click the green Approve button, and our project managers will receive an instant notification confirming that they can begin working on your request. From that moment on, your project will officially be in progress, and our team will start preparing everything needed to meet your deadline and project requirements. Approving the quote is the final step needed to kick off the production process and ensure your translations are delivered on time and with the highest quality. Once your project is on the move, you can track every step of the process directly through our platform. To do this, simply go to the Work Orders in Progress section. By clicking this button, you'll be taken to a page that displays all your submitted projects. This section gives you full visibility into each project's current stage. whether it's just been quoted, is actively in progress, has been delivered, or is currently in the billing phase. To make sure you don't miss any updates, we recommend using the filters located at the top right of the screen. Set the year filter to all and the status filter to all as well. This ensures you have a complete view of all your projects, regardless of when they were created or what stage they're in. Once a project has been completed, you'll receive an email notification letting you know it's ready. That email will include a link that takes you directly back to the same Work Order in Progress section. There, you'll be able to download both the final translated files and the original documents you submitted. You'll also have the opportunity to complete a short, optional survey about our services. Lastly, this final stage also includes the option to open a chat with the project manager who handled your project. If you see a green dot next to the chat button, it means the conversation is still active and you can reach out at any time with follow-up questions or comments. As you continue using the platform, you'll also have access to our Reports feature, a tool designed to give you full visibility over your translation activity. In this section, you'll find a detailed breakdown of who within your organization has submitted translation requests, which languages were requested, and how much was invested per language. To get the most out of this feature, we always recommend using the filter in the upper right corner of the calendar. From there, you can filter by year or select a custom date range to better analyze the data over the period that matters most to you. If you'd like to download this information, just scroll to the bottom of the page and click the blue button labeled Export All Pages to Excel. This will automatically download a spreadsheet to your computer containing all the filtered data. Moving forward within the platform, you'll also find the Invoices section. Here, you'll be able to view all pending invoices related to your translation projects. This section gives you a clear and organized overview of any outstanding payments, including invoice numbers, due dates, and the total amounts. If you'd like to download the invoice and review the full breakdown, just click on the blue invoice number on the left, under the Invoice column. This will open the detailed invoice, which you can then save to your computer for your records. Additionally, if you have any questions about a specific invoice or need assistance with the payment process, you can easily reach out to our Accounts Payable team by simply clicking the Create Go to Chat button located on the right-hand side to start a direct conversation with them. And with that, we've reached the end of this tutorial on how to use our translation platform. We hope this walkthrough has helped you feel more confident navigating the tools and features available to you. Thank you for choosing Idea Translations.